Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you candlestick patterns for beginner traders. Not just beginner, anybody can learn one or two from this video today. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Roslyn Ochina. On this video, I'm going to be showing you candlestick patterns that will help you know when the market is changing from being a bearish market to a bullish market, or from a bullish market to a bearish market. Because with these candlestick patterns, it can actually signal, it can serve as a signal that the market is about to change its trend. So guys, please stick with me to the end of this video because we have so many things to show you on this video. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and comment on the comment section if you have any question or any idea or anything you want to ask me, and I'll be there to respond. Thanks a lot. Do stick with me to the end of this video. Let's dive into the video. So we are now in our charts. As you can see, we have different candlestick patterns here. This is the bullish engulfing candle. This is the bullish engulfing candle. What do we mean by bullish engulfing candle? As you can see, the second green candle here, it opened and closed below the first candle, and the second candle is green. That's why it's called the bullish engulfing candle. And why it's called engulfing? Because it's fully covering the first candle. So once you see this kind of candlestick pattern form in the higher time frame, you know that there's big probability that the market will move from a bearish market to a bullish market. And most time this candle form in the support zone. So that's why it's called bullish engulfing candle. And we have the next candle here. All these four up candles are for bullish trend, and they mostly form on the support zone, the support area of the market. This morning star give you three candles. The first candle, the second candle most times are smaller candles. Then the third candle most times closes above the first candle. As you can see here, it closes above this first candle. So this is morning star. These three candles, anytime you see this three candle in a higher time frame, it just indicates that the market is about changing from being a bearish market to a bullish market. And you call this three candle pattern a morning star. You call it morning star. And we move to the bullish pin bar. The bullish pin bar can either be red or green. And you see how this candle forms simply means both buyers and sellers were here, but finally buyers took charge of this movement. And whenever you see this bullish pin bar, some call it hammer, whenever you see it in a support area. Next is bullish harami. It comes with a bigger red candle followed with a small green candle. When you find this at the support area of a bearish trend, it shows that the market wants to change from being a bearish to a bullish market. And this bullish harami is also called mother and daughter, because you can see this is a big candle. It's called mother and daughter. So once you see this candlestick pattern form as a support, tells you that the trend is about to change. So we come down to bearish engulfing candle, the next candle. In bearish engulfing candle, it wants to look like the bullish engulfing candle, but in this case is red, showing is bearish. So the second candle is totally engulfing the first candle, that's covering the first candle. So this is bearish engulfing candle. So once you see this bearish engulfing candle at the resistance of any bullish market, once the market is bullish and you find this bearish engulfing candle at the resistance area, it shows that the market is signaling a change in trend. It wants to change from being a bullish trend to a bearish trend. So So the next one here we have evening star. Evening star and morning star wants to look alike, but evening star is red, the third candle is red, while morning star, the third candle is green. So in evening star, the candle is red, closing below the first candle. Once you see this candle form at the resistance of any market, you find out that the market is about to change from being a bullish market to a bearish market. So you see it, the first candle is a little bit big, the second candle is mostly small, and the third candle is bigger than the rest, closing below the first candle. So that's evening star. Here we have bearish pin bar. Bearish pin bar, it can be red or green. Once you find bearish pin bar at the resistance of any market, it signals that the market is about to change from being a bullish market to a bearish market. Once you see this, you start looking for a bearish trend. You start expecting a bearish trend to come in, and this kind of pin bar is very strong signal in the market. And here we have bearish harami. Bearish harami is a bullish candle and is little bearish candle. So this signal, there's a change in the market direction from being a bullish market to a bearish market. Once you find it as a resistance, you find out this mother is covering the daughter, and is a strong, this first candle is always almost a full body candle, but with a little wick up and down, covering the second candle, which is the daughter. So bearish harami, this is how it's being formed. Candlestick patterns, we have doji and spinning top. Doji is just a cross without a body. It doesn't have any body. It opens and closes at the same, so you just see it like a cross. We have long leg doji and the shorter doji. Then here, spinning long leg doji is longer than this. Spinning top. Spinning top opens and closes with a little body in the middle. It closes and opens with a little body in the middle. There are always neutral candlestick pattern. This always shows an indecision in where the market is about to head to. Most times you see this candlestick form at the resistance or support area of the market. Here we have the bullish candlestick and the bearish candlestick. The bullish candlestick opens low and closes above. Here is the high and this is the low. In the bearish candlestick, here is the high and this is the low. But in the bearish, it opens up and closes down. We have the 2 weeks. The 2 weeks in any candle and the body of the candle here. So we now talk about the bullish candlestick patterns. We've seen the hammer in my previous picture. You saw hammer when it forms at the support area of the market in the bearish trend. That means the market is about changing from being a bearish trend to a bullish trend. Inverted hammer, when it forms at the support of a bearish trend, it shows the market is about changing from being a bearish trend to a bullish trend. We also have dragonfly doji. Dragonfly doji looks like a T. It looks like a T. The dragonfly doji looks like T. When in a bearish market, once you see it at the support zone, it means that the market is about changing from being a bearish market to a bullish market. You have bullish engulfing candle here. You see, this is bullish engulfing candle I showed you earlier. Once the market is selling and you find it at the support area of the market is about changing to being a bullish market. It's a very good signal in the market. We have the piercing line. The piercing line, the second candle closes almost halfway to the first candle. The first and second candle closes halfway. You are going to find this piercing line at the support area of the bearish market. The market is about to buy. We also have the morning star. The morning star, once you find that the support area of any bearish trend is about to buy, as you can see the morning star, 1 2 3 candles together. We have the morning doji star. The difference between morning doji star is that it has a doji on it. You can see a plus, a cross sign in the middle instead of a short and spinning top candle like this. It has a doji candle like this in the middle, and you see the 1 2 3 candles. This is morning doji star, showing the market is changing from bearish to a bullish trend. We have the 3 white soldiers. The 3 white soldiers, once in a downtrend, you start seeing a 3 full, almost full bodied candles start forming at the support area. Most times they are not really full body like Marubozu, but they are just almost with a little wick forming. It shows that there's a bigger buy pressure coming in the market. And we now have bearish candlestick pattern. In the bearish candlestick pattern, once you find this shooting star, that is a shooting star, or you can call it shooting star, at the resistance area of a buy trend, shows that the market is about changing from being a bullish market to being a bearish market. Here we have the hanging man. The hanging man is you always sit at the resistance area of the market. So once the hanging man is forming at a bullish trend, it shows that the market wants to change to a bearish market. And you see here, the hanging man and the inverted hammer, the hanging man, and the hammer wants to look alike, but the difference is that the hanging man is red and the hammer is green. So we move to the gravestone doji. The gravestone doji is an inverted T. You see it as an inverted T. The market opens and closes at the beginning of the candle. It opens and closes at the same point there, inverted. So in the bullish trend, once you see it, it shows that the market is about changing to a bearish trend. You have the bearish engulfing. The bearish engulfing, the second candle is totally engulfing the first candle and it's red. Here, the second candle is totally engulfing the first candle and it's green. So this one is bullish engulfing and this one is bearish engulfing. Shows that market is about changing to bearish trend. We have the dark cloud cover, almost the same thing like the piercing line, but in this case it's red, changing to the downtrend. We have evening star. Evening star, once you see it forming at the resistance area of a bullish market, you find the 3 candle forming, you know that the market is about changing to a bearish trend. We also find the evening doji star, where here the middle one is a cross. It looks like a cross instead of a little body candle. It looks like a cross. So once you see that cross, it's a doji. So it's evening doji star, changing from a bullish market to a bearish market. We also have a 3 black cross. The 3 black cross also form at the resistance area of a market. It shows that the bullish trend is changing to a bigger bearish trend. So these are the candles you have to take look at anytime you are in the market. Please still stick with me to the end of this video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that when next we upload, you're going to see there are some candlestick patterns I would like to show you on this chart. There's this candle we call Marubozu. A Marubozu candle forms when the market closes and it's open and closes at a point where you don't find the wick. It's a full-bodied candle without a wick. It opens and closes without a wick. It shows, when you see this, it shows that there's a strong buy pressure coming in the market. Sometimes it has little wick, but most times without a wick. Once you see it without a wick, it's also very okay. But sometimes you can see it with a little wick, but most times it's without a wick. That's Marubozu candle. It shows that there's a strong pressure of buy or sell in the market. And I was talking about long leg doji. long leg doji is a longer candle that looks like T when market open and closes at the same point. So with a longer wick, this wick most times is like the two, both buyers and sellers, there's buy and sell pressure and an indecision at that point before the market will finally close at a particular point and open at that same point. Then once you find that candle forming at the resistance area, shows that the market is about changing from being bullish to a bearish trend. The same thing here. This is a similar long leg doji, but it's called Rothschild Man doji. So that is it for our, I've already explained this one. That is it for our candlestick pattern. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, so that whenever we upload, you're going to be among those that are going to see our video. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Thanks a lot for sticking around to the end. I hope you learned one or two that are going to help you in identifying your candlestick pattern in the market. Thanks a lot.